Hello, it's Richard Pears from FinextraTV, and we're here at Sibos 2022 in Amsterdam, and delighted today to be joined by Andrew Bester from ING. Andrew, hello.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Yeah, great to see you and meet you. Tell us, you guys, ING, wholesale banking, global footprint. Tell us about that sort of global to local element of what you do and how that works for you.
Yes, so one of the key pillars of our strategy is a global network, but focused on how we deliver that locally. And so we operate across 40 countries, and it is about how we, on the one hand, given our European strength, deliver that global network. So for me, globally led, powered by our global network, but leading bank in Europe. So it's all about how we connect for clients and deliver that network for our clients. And particularly at Sibos, this is how we talk to our partners, be they banking partners and others, and how we connect our clients to that network.
Fantastic. And so Sibos, obviously an important event for you to talk about your wholesale banking products and services. What's happening with those? What's new and fresh, and what are you talking about here at the show?
Look, I think for Sibos now, it's about reconnecting. Very big focus on what is certainly from the last face-to-face Sibos, far deeper focus on how we digitize our services, more innovation happening, be that in the cash chain, the working capital chain. So for me, this is about reconnecting and actually having the benefit of also getting some of those informal networks re-established. And what I've liked is walking around and meeting contacts that I haven't seen for a while.
Yeah,
because you can do the contact on a screen, but actually really networking and agreeing new alliances and partnerships. So it's been exciting, but lots of work for the teams to take back and reconnect with our partners and work out what we do over the coming year.
Tremendous. Now, sustainable finance, ESG, is obviously one of the big topics, certainly, I suppose, new really since 2019 when we last got together in terms of its profile. And at ING, I know with your agricultural business and the global, local perspective, you're very much at the forefront of this. Tell me more about where you think the market is and what your role is within that.
So we certainly see ourselves as having been a pioneer in sustainable finance. We were involved in the first sustainably linked loan, so we really feel that we've been a leader from the start in the creation of this new financing space. Where we are at the moment at ING is actually recalibrating our targets for the next phase. So we've committed to net zero banking for 2040, and now starting to work through what we need to do with our portfolio. So a few specific things that we've done. We do a deep sort of portfolio-based review of all our sectors, what we call our terror report, across the 9 sectors and what the carbon pathways look like. That's the technical stuff. What we do below that is now working with our clients and what we need to do to support them as they start thinking about their financing going forward. So specifically, we've committed to mobilize 125 billion per year in financing, in sustainable finance and advice to companies around sustainability. Today we mobilize just under 90 billion. So we've recalibrated those targets. We've also brought forward all our commitments on the various pathways to really create tangible targets to 2025. So we believe we're a leader, we were a pioneer, and it's now about setting targets for the next phase.
And within that, the sustainable business models of firms are changing. Can you give us any sense of the sort of all that capital you're deploying, how you work with people to sort of help them on the journey? Because I think a lot of people are still looking for the advice of firms like your own.
Well, sort of for us, it very is back to that inclusive approach. So understanding where clients are and then helping them, whether it's building their sustainability frameworks, to think about how they bring to life sustainability across the organization, of which then financing is a key component. So it is working with them across the multiple sectors we operate in, and then from building the frameworks to then helping lead, whether it's debut green bonds or sustainably linked financing. So it's something that we feel is an opportunity for us. There's 5 trillion euros of financing that we expect coming out of the industry by 2025. So this is a big opportunity, but it also happens to be the right thing to do. So for us, it's a lovely combination.
Yes, a good reason to get up and get to work on a day.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Thanks for sharing all your information with us at the show, and we look forward to speaking with you at the next show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.